Here is the result of my first compost tea experiment. This is Rabbit Compost Tea, Goat, Rainwater, and Worm. The worm was doing a lot better. It was competing with the rabbit, but I'm not sure if it got cold. But it does have some yellowing, and I don't think it's from being overwatered. But today I'm starting a new experiment, and I'm going to be making my own fish emulsion. So I've had this fish sitting and rotting in the greenhouse, and now I'm going to add more to it. A recipe that I found online said to mix half of the bucket with equal parts fish and sawdust. I don't have enough to make it half of the bucket, so I'm just going to mix equal parts fish and sawdust. So I pretty much covered the fish with sawdust. It's like maybe a quarter and a quarter, and then it said to add a cup of molasses. So since I'm not doing half the bucket, I'm going to add maybe a third of a cup of molasses. And there's my molasses, and then I'm going to fill it about 2/3 full with water. So I added the water, and then I just mixed it up with a shovel, and then I'm going to cover it, and we'll let it steep. So I just covered it with an old feed bag. It's primarily to keep the dogs out of it, but it is going to smell very ripe when that fish is rotting. And that is my Rabbit Compost Tea. Again, the rabbits were the winner. And over here I have a Combo Compost Tea with goat, worm, rabbits, banana peels, coffee grounds, and eggshells. So we'll see how the fish emulsion does. Happy spring and happy growing.